welcome back guys to my channel. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos and learning something new every time I upload something. So in this video my plan is to swap cabin air filter. As you have seen maybe in my previous video I did on my other car, which is Honda CR-V, but in this one I'm going to do on Mazda 3 2012. This is the filter model number if you guys are curious. It's a E-Palo, E-Pauto or whatever. I mean, here you can see E-Pauto or Paulo, and that's a brand, or that's a model number CP672. But yeah, you can see the Amazon beautiful packing, only tape like one side. This side was pretty much open, no tape. So gotta love Amazon, right? So that's how exactly it was delivered to me by USPS, and I'm like, wow. But anyway, here you can see it's basically still sealed pack. Beautiful brand new filter here you can see. So yeah, I was like, hey, it's good. Plus this is, I think what they call it, like charcoal or something, right? I believe this is like a charcoal base because they're more like a brownish. The one you have like a clear white paper, you know, those are the simple filter. Now this one I know is better than just plain filter because this does like active charcoaling or whatever the term is. All I know, if you see a darker color, it's good. So anyway, I mean, I don't know, you know, I'm like 200 some pounds, so I cannot of course fit in the tiny area because this is going to be like an annoying process to be to be honest. So yeah, I mean, of course I can't fit in that right under the cabin, and this filter is so much in because when I did on my other CR-V car, it was so easy. You can literally just open the glove box and do it even when sitting on the seat. But for Mazda, it's right where your literally legs are, all the way in the corner. I'll show you in a second. It's not impossible, but it's pretty small space, so it'll be hard for me to even hold the phone and flashlight and things like that and doing with one hand. But I'm gonna try my best to show you as, you know, neat as possible. So yeah, basically these are two separate filters, guys, just to be more clear. I'm gonna open it in a second. These are two filters. They basically slide, and you do the first one and then you lift up and then you insert the second one, so they kind of go on the top of each other exactly like this. So anyway, without wasting too much time, I will take my drill machine, just because it's like a tight spot. I put something on a floor just so, you know, I can put my knees there, because again I cannot fit in there, so it'll be easy for me to kind of go this way. So yeah, let me try. So wish me luck, guys. All right. Okay, so I think to make life easier, I would remove this panel first. So simply just hold it. There's no screwdriver needed. Simply just like hold it and give it a good pull, and see this puppy just comes right off. No screwdriver needed so far. Now I would also remove this metal piece that you clearly, this is basically right up there. And again, your leg sits here, keep in mind, so you can imagine how deep it is. So this puppy, all you have to do is, I think it's this side. Yep, I think it's these latches. Let's see. Again, I can't even see it because I'm holding the phone. Let's see. Yep, I think it's this. Look at that. So you push these latch. There you go. It came down. Same on this side. And then you pull it out. So no screwdriver needed so far, guys. Now these two pieces just came right off. Now is where you need access to a screwdriver, guys. You see, like this thing, all the way on a freaking end is where your filters are located. So of course, use your machine, put it in, and look at that. The first screw came out. There are two screws. Come on. There you go. The second one came out, and now you just pull this puppy out. It can hang. And now let me try to show you with the phone. Okay, now these are the filters, guys. Now all you have to do is pull it. Pulling is easy. Putting it back is a little challenging, but let's see. Okay, so you pull it. There you go, guys. There you go. So the first one came out, and now the second one came out. All right, let me take a breath here. Okay, here you can see this is the side where air comes inside. Now this is the dirty side. And again, I opened this filter. I think like last week before I ordered my filters from Amazon. I just wanted to see the condition, how bad these are, because I have been smelling some, funky smell when I turn on my AC or fan. It's a fan only. So basically I just removed it, and these are about 5-year old. 5 or 6. So I basically, went in my backyard and kind of keep on hitting. So a lot of dust like came out. I just wanted to do it just until I can at least wait for the new filters. So they have been better, but of course you can see a lot of like, dust in there and, bad, nasty stuff. But again, these are still clear compared to what it was originally. Yeah, they were like this. Look at that. So they were like full of stuff. So anyway, of course this is trash, and these are the new filters. Yep, these are the new one. I believe they're the exact same brand, but you can see the color difference or something. But yeah, let me remove this packing now. All right, there you go. Okay, so the couple of things you have to remember. One, airflow, because the air will be going this side, because this is where you have coil. Let me maybe try to show you. There you go. You can see it. It's basically more towards like back side of the car. So basically air will be going inward from here. Okay. I know you might be feeling dizzy because I'm keep flipping the phone because of this beautiful spot we have. Thank you to this Japanese car, right? Okay, so now let me see. Okay, there you go, guys. This is what I'm looking. Look at that. It clearly shows airflow. Look at that. Airflow this side. So we know the filter will be going like this. So it'll be like this. Like that. Yep, it will be going like this. The small grooves will be going in here, I believe. Let me make sure. Yes, you can see here. The small goes in here, and then foam will be more downward, in my opinion, I believe. You know what? Maybe the foam can go up there. I don't know. Let's see. I think it'll make more sense to foam to be upward. Yeah, because you won't be able to slide it. Yeah, if the foam is at the bottom, you won't be able to slide it, which makes sense. So yes, that's how it should be going. Normally, I know there's normally some marks, but there's no marks. So yes, I would put the foam on the top. And yep, that make more sense. So I'm going to be doing this way, guys. Okay, so let's see. Okay, hope you can see it. You know what? Let me try to move this puppy somewhere. Let's see. Alright, like that, guys. You basically put one in, you lift it up, like that. It kind of gets stuck in there. Look at that, how it's like stuck right up there. Now, I'm going to take the other one, and I'll slide this one in. Oh, wow. That was very easy. Look at that, guys. It went perfect. So yes, it makes sense. The foam goes upward, and this one just has a plastic piece, plastic latch, because you won't be able to slide if the foam is right below. So yes, it went perfect. Just put your hand in there, make sure they are right, slide it in here normal. But yeah, I can feel it. It's basically straight, flushed in. Again, I have to twist my phone so to be able to show you the better view. But look at that. Yep, you can see how they're flushed in, exactly flat. And here you can see how beautiful they're looking. But yeah, that's it, guys. Now all I have to do is put this puppy back in. Yep, like that. It already kind of latched in. Yep, I'll take the screws. Yep, screw number 1 and screw number 2. All right. Yep, perfect guys, beautiful as pie. Alrighty. Now let's put this plastic piece that goes right above your leg. So yeah, it'll be going like this, kind of weird way. And if you slide straight, this plastic piece kind of holds right in there. And then there you go. That was not too bad, but there you go. This is how it should be looking when you're done. Oh, it came right off. Maybe it was not latched. Let's see. Oh, it's here. There you go. So this is where the latch is. And there you go. Now it's in. Yep, this is the latch. Okay, so this is in, and that's the last piece. This plastic piece. So this, like those corner one, kind of goes right in here. And then these push tie will just put it in. There you go. That's it, guys. Done, 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 done. But yeah, look at that, guys. This is how it should be looking when everything is done. But yeah, this is of course trash. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys learned something new, or at least this video will help you when you're ready to change your air filter, or cabin air filter I should say. But yeah, thank you for watching. Again, if you think you have learned something new, I would appreciate if you can just subscribe my channel to help motivate my channel. But yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Have a great day.